انا مغمضة عيني. هنزلها فين دي؟
ممكن بلاش الصورة موجودة.
طب حضرتك انا مغمضة عيني في الصوت.
بلاش طبعا. ماشي. Can you write live London session? Live. London L-O-N-D
سيشن.
session. Forex.
هات فوركس.
Forex. Just Forex. Capital F.
اوكي.
Live London session Forex. Live. Delete. Delete. Join now. We can write join now. No, join capital.
اه سوري. اوكي.
Okay, we're gonna go live now. Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome to Forex Market Strategy. We're going to continue our live sessions today. I have my partner here, Fatima. She will be with you guys today.
Hello, my name is Fatma Ali and we will be doing the FX market strategy analysis together.
Okay guys, so we hit the session today. Let's see what we have today. First, we start as usual with our VSA market scanner here.
The Japanese yen, the euro dollar are weak, as we can see, and the pound and the Australian dollar, they are both equal. They are changing from Australian dollar to be stronger to pound than Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and franc.
Okay guys, as Fatima briefly conclude for you guys, the Japanese yen is really weak. We can have a hint, possibly we're going to see the stock market going up, as also on the other side, Australian, Canadian, New Zealand are holding ground kind of to the top. Also the pound is kind of strong. So if we go to the pound Japanese yen, just give me a second, I'll open the chart right here. First, let's look at the pound index.
It's going up, like we see.
So possibly we can get a good signal in the pound against some stuff right here. Possibly the best would be Euro pound or pound Japanese yen. Okay, let's get the pound Japanese yen right here. First here, we have the Euro pound came first. Okay guys, you can see the Euro pound right here.
It's pointing down. The euro pound is pointing down.
We can see further down, guys, especially sitting in the kind of, this is a support, but I can see this support to be broken, okay? And we go further down. In the weekly analysis, we discuss this coming down after this beautiful double top. Also the euro weakness, we did expect the euro to continue to be weak and the pound to kind of get strong a little bit. Okay, over the middle kind of term, we do expect the pound to continue being strong, okay? So the euro pound possibly is a good sell here. We can open point one sell. Okay guys, and we can take our stop loss just here, right? About 50-60 pips or so. And
Didn't.
we can target like 80, 70, 90, okay? Possibly we can get here. So that's one call. The second one also is Euro Australia. We discussed in the weekly forecast, guys, we can get this to continue going down. Has been going beautifully as expected, but watch out this. I would not jump into a new signal right here, okay? Look at the MACD, it needs a correction. So just avoid it for now. Let's wait a correction. If we get, let's say from here to here, this is 50% or 38%, something like this. If we can get this correction to this level right here, guys, I'm just gonna draw a line here so you can see the level to 1.58.
1.5843.
Okay, so if we can get this correction, which is how many pips right here? 185 pips.
Okay.
If we go exactly, it will be
187.
yeah. So we have 187, 190. Okay, in this range, and I would not recommend to buy because we only want to sell in a downtrend. So we just should wait to get this correction, and after the correction, we can open.
A sell.
Okay, so after a correction, we can open a sell. This correction doesn't have to go all the way up to here. It may go only to here. Okay. So we can get either
A small correction or
a bigger correction. Okay, guys. So that's something also to keep the eye on. Since we have given this signal, we run about so far
38.
400 about 400.
400. 400.
Pips. Okay, and that has been 38 to here, 56 candles. Okay, of this from the weekly, and you can see in our APCO trading system, Advanced Profit Cloud Oil System, we have
A downtrend.
yeah, a downtrend going really nice with a sell signal here, and that sell signal was really nice. And the previous
Downtrend.
Downtrend continue here with a sell signal here. So the previous sell signal also was also good.
Good, yeah.
Okay, so we do have a sell signal, which is this
Here
one,
and
and we have a previous sell signal. That was an initial signal, and that's a continuation signal, okay guys? So this initial signal is coming after a buy, so we get this solid, okay? The continuation signal, it comes after initial signal, okay? So this, after a buy, you get this solid one. After the initial one, you start to get in multiple continuation signals, just like that, this one and that one. Also, you get the stop loss right here, okay, which was really close compared to 400 pips. So the stop loss, like 60, 70 pips, was 500 pips. Target up to here running the trade is really, really nice, okay? We can also look at the MACD right here, it was at the top, it's giving you the,
Buy signal.
yeah, we're giving you buy signal was from down here. After this buy signal, we got
Yes.
a sell signal here, this
Yeah,
intersection.
right.
So we came all the way down here, then after this we get a correction. After this correction, we start having another sell signal right here. And you can see the system is color coded, going really nice with the MACD, with the price action. It's going pretty cool. Okay guys. The next one is
Canadian dollar, Canadian yen. Sorry.
okay, so what do we have here in the Canadian yen?
We have a buy signal. A trend going up, I think.
Yes, so this is going up. Watch out, we have come long way here. If you guys have been watching the weekly forecast since here, we discussed this buy, and you can see since this point, it just did go like 50 bips below, but then right now 112 bips. And we do expect this to continue,
Going up.
okay? So you guys, you can see this. Of course, if you go take the signal in the 1 hour time frame, it's gonna look, you know, easier to trade, just like this. You start after this correction, you take this buy. After this correction, just you take this buy and your stop loss right here. And you can see this
This is buy signal. Yeah,
okay?
that's buy
So buy
signal.
signal, and here is the
Stop loss.
okay. Okay, guys, if you do have any question, please go ahead for it. Hi, yes, Suzuka, how's it going? Shalom, bro, where from? Mr. Hassan, how are you? Mr. Hassan Adi. Okay, hi guys. Please, guys, if you do have any question for us, go ahead for it. Okay, we're here to work as a group. Okay, guys. Here is the bound yen which we discussed. What do you have now?
We have a trend up, right? A trend
Yes, and we do have
up. A buy signal.
signal here. Okay, guys. And our stop loss is right here. So what level is the stop loss?
141.39.
Okay, guys. So 141.40 or so. That's your stop loss. Okay. Which is about 50 bips below the current price. And bound Japanese yen volatility is about 110, 120 bips. So really you want to get about 100 bips and get out. So from the 141.90, we can set our target at 142.90. So what level is our target? 142.80 or so, okay guys?
Yeah, okay.
Can we open a buy signal?
Yeah, of course.
Good job. Okay, thank you. We just type buy bound Japanese yen at 141.90.
Japanese yen.
Yeah, bound Japanese yen. Buy bound Japanese yen.
Oh, okay.
Buy space. Just if someone comes later, then he can see the hint, you know, the message buy or sell and what enter price and stuff like this. So Fatima is typing for you guys here. You know, just buy bound Japanese yen. Just,
Is it okay? Or
yeah, we can just put a space and say at 141.96.
at one?
141.96, the current price. Yeah. So if someone comes later, guys, you can see the price and all that stuff.
96.
Okay. So we can just put this here. Okay. So you know the signal is a buy now. And watch out guys, this in the MACD in the 1 hour time frame, just after a correction, we do expect this to continue going up. See here, we do expect in the MACD this to continue
Going up.
okay guys. Okay guys, is there any question guys? Hi Mr. Mazhar, how are you? Any idea for reverse USD index? And Mr. Secret Box saying hi, Secret, how's it going? So the USD index so far, right here,
Yes.
is still in weakness, okay? Even after this up, we do just a small up, then still another one, because we expect uh, a big move in the stock market, and this big move in the stock market is going to put pressure in the dollar index. So what we can see here, Mr. Mazhar, that one move up as a correction wave, okay?
Then it will continue going down.
Then it will continue going down. Possibly this is the last wave in the down,
Trend.
okay? After this, we can get a big up move right here, okay? But watch out, the euro is going really down, and this is gonna push the euro index down. Okay, the euro index is going down, so this is gonna also put the pressure in the euro dollar. Watch out in this very tricky, because now we know the euro dollar is opposite of the dollar index. But this, if the euro does not have very strong movement, if the euro is just free falling like this, and we hinted about this guys in the weekly forecast, so all the euros are gonna be going down. Even the euro dollar is possibly going down right now. Let's check it out. Here, see here. See the euro dollar kind of going down right now, okay? But watch out, I think this wave is not, still have another game. So we can come all the way down to the 50 level here, okay, in the Fibonacci levels guys, okay? So we can get all the way down to here, no problem. As the euro index continue to weaken, okay? But at this point, I would get out at the
1.1877.
yeah, 1.1,
99, sorry.
1.1977 guys, okay? At this level, we should probably get out, okay? And it looks like we're getting a head and shoulder right here. Okay guys, so if you all double three, you know, three runs, three waves to the top also. This is you know, a well-known pattern. 3 waves to the top, you get 3 runs in the top. Then after this, you get this trend line to be broken. Just then I'm gonna make another color right here to be clear, okay? After it did break the trend line, it did come back up to kind of retest. It did fail to reach, and that was a good sell coming back down. I would expect this to go all the way down to the same area which it did break and retest here. Okay guys? So possibly we can still run another 164, but once you get close to here, you probably should get out. Give it some time to continue going up again, you know, then sell it again later on, like this. So possibly this is what we can see in the euro dollar. We can open the sell here right here. Hey Fatima, what do you think of the gold?
I think it will be going down.
Yeah, pretty cool. And this, if we can see the stock market going up, possibly it's gonna put pressure on the gold. The gold is failing to break this level.
1.863.
Yeah, the 1,180, 1,180, 37 right now. Okay. 1,000.
Well, yeah,
You
one.
know, 1838 guys. We came long way from the top right here from the 1960. You can see this drop. It's trying to break this high, but it's failing, the 1860. Okay. holding as a strong level right now. And you can see this 1860 previously also was a strong level right here. So far it looks like it's
pointing down.
okay guys. So I will be preferring the sell over the buy. Okay, right guys, if we do run the Fibonacci levels right here, all the way down, we possibly can come to the 86 of this one. So if we do have gold, if we do get a big correction to the dollar index, this is, and the stock market going up, and the yield is going up in the bonds, this is gonna make the gold crash. So this pattern, guys, probably need to continue going down. You can see in the left side here, just like it's as a big triangle right here. This pattern probably need to continue finishing up what's doing right now, just like this. This is probably what's gonna happen, you know. So we can see this happening before we can decide from here if it's gonna reverse at 1790. And we do know 1790 has been a strong level right here. Okay, 1790, this price was holding here. 1790, 1780, this area. But anyway, so far the gold is pointing down, guys, so I'll be preferring the sell over the buy in the gold, as you can see right here. Okay, so we can open one sell here.
Sorry. The dollar franc, it's pointing up. So I think it will be a good buy, right?
Yeah, it's so if we can continue seeing the CHF is getting weak as the stock market's going up, guys, and the risk on is going on in the market, possibly it's gonna send the CHF down against all of pairs, just like the US dollar and Japanese yen. In this case, it will depend which one is going down further. Is the USD index or the CHF index? And possibly the CHF is gonna be going down further, then this is gonna make it a good buy for the dollar CHF as Fatima indicated for you guys, okay? And this is our support area, okay? So we don't want this area to be broken. Also, we have a head and shoulder right here. You can see this shoulder, okay guys? This, and this wave to the bottom right here, okay? Just hitting stop losses and stuff. Many people are gonna wait till this neck area to be broken. Okay, after the 89.12, if this is broken to the top side, it's gonna be a very obvious buy. Okay. This was Bitcoin here was really old one, was really down, you said, to the 36 level. So what's up with the Bitcoin right now?
The Bitcoin is pointing up, so it also is a good buy because the dollar is going down, I think, right?
Yeah, guys, Bitcoin has been shooting up, as you guys, all of you know, has been making new highs, with the 41 level being the latest high, all-time high. Okay, this is going crazy. The point is, it's getting more accepted by companies. More companies are gonna be trading with, like, using the Bitcoin. So kind of getting to be official, okay? And the halving has been done lately in about 4 or 5 months ago, is also a decreased amount of Bitcoin. When the interest rate is kind of going down, continue to be down for 2 years, and we do have the gold also kind of losing right now. Stock market is kind of okay, going up, and it's going to be going up in the long term also, but I don't think is, you know, very attractive at the meantime. So really, any company just with a big strong bull run in the Bitcoin, they just get some buys in it. They're not going to be losing, you know.
Muhammad Abdullah, good morning, sir. Screen box.
Hey, Secret Box, how are you?
Secret box, sorry.
Hi,
So
Mr.
sorry.
Mazhar, you're welcome. guys. This is history, guys. This you're gonna be telling your kids about it. Hey, you know what? My friend told me to buy 100 Bitcoin for $1, and they said no. And then I live to see it 50,000. Okay. So this is gonna be history to tell our children about. So what's going on with oil right now?
It's pointing up.
Okay, guys. So oil is continuing to go up. Very strong candle right here. This possibly is gonna go 55, guys. We discussed this one. So we're gonna open a buy right now.
Okay.
Okay. Our stop loss can be below this area right here. Okay.
Okay.
And we can go for the 54.
Okay.
54.
0.827.
Yeah, 54.82. Okay, guys. In this area. This should be our target. And we can see
The US crude is going up.
and this is gonna make the
Canadian going down.
if the US crude is going up, the Canadian is gonna be also going
Up. Oh, sorry. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, so the Canadian index is going up now. Okay. Weirdly, the New Zealand is going down. I think this is probably a correction, guys. Okay. Excuse me. So what we can see here?
We can see it's pointing down.
Yeah, this possibly a correction.
A correction down.
Yeah. After this, we can get
A buy signal.
a buy signal.
To a trend up.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, reversal to the upside, to
Okay.
continue our uptrend. So this is our support area, okay?
Okay.
And we do expect a reverse from here to go up here, make a new high. So we're looking for this New Zealand guys to just do a correction right here, not reverse. Okay? Canadian is really good, and that's gonna take us to the Euro CAD because the Euro is weak and Canadian is strong, okay? Here, what we can see a free fall. What is this going?
Down.
Down. Big time, guys, okay? We discussed this in the weekly forecast, guys. Look at this. Look at this beautiful. 300 points from here. Isn't that amazing? I think this is going to continue down. We can sell it.
Okay. And the F index,
Yeah, the DAX.
the DAX is going up.
Okay.
Okay.
We can take a buy here. What do you think?
Yes, we can. We should take a buy here.
One. Yeah.
Okay.
One.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, guys. So DAX also, I think, we think is a good buy here. So, Fatima, just open a buy for you guys right here. Okay. And our target is
1,420 to 1.
yeah. So 14,220 guys is our target right here. Okay. Watch out, we are buying close to the top, so it's not the best buy. Okay, so be careful from this, but we do expect this to continue going up. So don't be too heavy in it.
Why it's not a good buy?
Because the better buy was from lower here.
Okay.
Just like this one exactly in the weekly forecast, we said a little bit down right here,
Yes.
then go up. It did
Okay.
do the exact same thing. It did go down and then go up all the way even to the exact level, but almost prepared. So watch out, this may come down a little bit, guys. So be careful from this one. You guys, you can see the bound is in
Uptrend.
Okay guys, so this uptrend, the channel has been going up and down. What we can see now,
A buy signal.
yeah, continuation here of a buy, yes, so this can continue. Where a lot of people are gonna go short the bound now, guys. Our vision is to the upside. Okay? So we can open a buy here. How many pips we should go for? It's about 100 pips. So we are 1.3660, so we go 1.3770. Okay, guys? And this is target right here. But watch out. If this is gonna go down, you don't wanna be stuck in it, okay? Just in case. But so far we can see this to have a strong push to the upside right now. Okay guys, is there any question? That was just a quick update.
The Australian dollar.
Yeah,
please.
hi Jason, how's it going?
Secret box want to check the Australian dollar.
Okay buddy, we're gonna look at it for you.
Is it small correction?
Yeah,
Or
this is gonna be a small correction of the stock market also, then we continue going up. But watch out, this has gone so much to the upside because the dollar index in the weakest area. But the worst case scenario is a correction, then continue going up. We don't think this is gonna, the worst case, don't sell this one, okay? Don't sell it. But we're saying if we can see a correction to here, okay? Just like this. This and the reverse from here, this possibly we're gonna be up. This is not ready to
go down.
Yeah, it's not ready to go down and sell it shorted, guys. Okay, it's not ready to sell it.
Okay.
This is because we do expect the stock market to go
Up.
up.
Yeah.
So the Australian USD is gonna be going up, also New Zealand and Canadian. Okay, so watch out for this trick. We're gonna a lot of people are gonna short this one because technically this is overbought. Okay, technically this is overbought, but fundamentally the stock market we do expect it to continue going up because the current situation and with all happening with the capital, nothing didn't affect the stock market. So really, and we get in the vaccine and everything, so nothing is gonna affect the stock market heavily. The Dow Jones, SPX, Nasdaq, the DAX, all are gonna continue the bull run. Okay, so nothing's gonna affect them now. So this Australian USD is probably gonna keep pushing higher. That does not mean we should jump and buy here, but it's probably gonna continue going up. Okay, guys. So what we can see, Mr. Secret Box here, we can see a correction to the downside to retest this area. See this one right here.
Yeah.
Just to retest here. If we can get another one, can you click control CTR? No, hold it.
Okay.
Yeah, just make a copy here for you guys here. So we can get this down correction followed by
Up movement.
up movement here. Okay guys, so up wave right here. Because after this down correction, we can get up wave.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And you can see this also is going in a channel, right?
But this is not sure, right?
Yeah, this is kind
Because
of
maybe it will continue going down.
Yeah, if the stock market will come down, this is gonna break and go down. But I will not do this unless I can see the Dow Jones crashing really bad, and we don't expect this to happen. So possibly the favorite scenario right now is have a correction going up. When can this go down like this? If the stock market is gonna crash big time, the Dow Jones and the SPX and Nasdaq is going hard down. Because we don't expect this to happen, so we don't expect this correction to happen. But what we can see is this bull run to continue right here. Maybe from 80 level or 79, we can start seeing the dollar index to get really strong at that time, and the stock market to cool off maybe in March or so or April. Then at that time we can start seeing a correction in the stock market. We can sell it from that price, going for about 700 pips now. Okay. So we can see one correction followed by a strong up wave followed by a strong correction wave. Okay.
Okay.
Is there any other question, guys?
Thanks, Secret Box.
You're welcome.
You're so welcome.
Okay, guys. What's happening with the USD CAD now?
I think it's going down. The trend going very down.
Yeah. So what we do expect next is to continue going down or to reverse the upside.
I think it will continue going down.
And the reason for this, guys, is the dollar index is kind of weak, but the oil is picking up, right? We just discussed the
Yeah.
oil is going up,
Yes.
and the Canadian index, of course, affected by the oil.
On the up movement.
Yeah, and it was going also up, okay?
Yeah.
So we can see the dollar CAD going down. Watch out where we can see euro dollar is going down, we can see USD CAD is going down. And the reason for this, because the euro is getting weak and euro index is getting weak, so it's pushing euro dollar down, where the Canadian affected by the oil is getting really strong, so sending USD CAD down. And we forecasted 1.25 for the USD CAD, guys, okay? So still looking for the 1.25 here, and this is gonna be a beautiful buy because at that price the oil should cool off a little bit, okay? But watch out, we can go even further in the USD CAD because if the oil is gonna break above the 55 level, then USD CAD is probably gonna keep pushing down and further down, okay? So be careful from this one, don't rush to buy it. If you guys do remember, we said to sell it from here, this is overvalued by like 700 bips to 1000 bips. It came like 2000 bips down, guys. I hope you guys hold some of the positions, and this is still gonna continue going down because
Yeah, so it's a good sell.
yeah, it was a beautiful sell from the top. Now it's okay, it's fair sell
Okay.
because now we are at the end. At the top here,
Yeah.
it was really good, but right now at the end is kind of is good. It's fair sell. Okay.
Okay.
So we can sell this one also. What do you think? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So we can sell this one. Okay, guys. Our stop loss will be at the level of
1.2718.
and our target here will be
1.2600.
yeah. You can go this level 1.26 or so. Okay, guys. We can sell. We can type here sell USD CAD.
Okay.
Which price we're gonna sell it as a current price 1.2680 space. 1.2680.
2680. Okay.
Thank you. Okay, guys. So Fatima put the sell signal for you guys here. It was the target. We already mentioned the target. We can type it also. The 1.26 level. TB space. Or target, doesn't matter. Just if someone comes later, I can see target.
Right target. Or?
Target.
Okay.
We can put the target here at 1.26, and so if someone comes late or so, you can see the video. You can just 1.26. So we can pay attention to what's going on.
1.26.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Is there any questions? Let's see what's happening here.
Bound is very strong. Do you see that?
Yeah, the pound is holding ground here. So we already discussed the pound dollar is already
Going up.
in profit. Okay, it's
Yeah.
already in profit, guys.
Yeah.
It's running really nice. We said we're a lot bigger guys are gonna expect this to go down.
Yeah.
We said we possibly can see an up movement right here.
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully this will continue going up. Okay, guys. We can type the signal here. So we did buy at what price? Which is 1.366.
1.366.
1.3661. Okay, so we can type here. By pound USD. Pound USD.
Oh, okay. Can you please USD
1.3661.
1.361. Okay.
1.366.
Okay.
Okay guys, so we type the signal here, just someone comes, we can see the enter price. And our target was 1.3776. So we're just gonna also type target 1.3776. Target.
One point three 776.
Okay guys.
Okay.
We just don't have 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we're just gonna have to close this to continue.
What should I I think we have gone over everything.
Yeah, we can have a brief conclusion also about what we have done, so if someone comes in here also you can see what we said.
Okay. Like Mr. Islam have told you guys and explained for you, we have gone over the currencies today in the stock market. And we have done some trades, told you when to buy and when to sell. David want to see the Canadian yen, okay, and Amanda okay, Australian euro, okay, euro Canadian, okay. We'll go over them again. David want to go over the Canadian yen and euro Canadian.
Yeah,
Can we please go over
Yeah.
them again?
Hey David, how's it going, buddy? We can open.
Okay.
So we can go to the Canadian yen chart right now.
Where is it? Can you please do?
Just click on this level right here.
Okay. I can't even see it. Okay. This one? the Canadian dollar or Canadian yen?
Yeah, we just can get the A here, right here. But we can continue all the way down also because we have the euro CAD right after it.
Okay.
Yeah, so we get the Canadian yen here.
Euro CAD.
If we can zoom this at the right side a little bit,
Okay.
we can zoom at the right. No,
Which side?
the scroll in the right side. Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. So what did we say about the USD crude?
It's going up.
Yeah, and this is gonna affect the Canadian index overall.
Yeah, okay.
So the Canadian is gonna be strong. What
Okay.
about Japanese yen? We have seen Japanese yen
It's very weak.
so Canadian Japanese yen is gonna continue to go
Up.
Okay, so what we can see this up move to
Move to the upside.
and continue to the upside
Yeah.
strongly, okay?
Okay.
So we can see about 100 pips to the upside continue still in the Canadian Japanese yen,
Japanese yen.
okay?
Okay.
So we can see about 100 pips in the and if
Canadian
we're gonna put stop loss, we probably should put it right where it says SL in our system,
Where?
okay? So this is the
Oh,
way
okay.
it should go.
Okay.
Canadian Japanese yen to continue going up, okay?
Okay.
Can we switch to Euro CAD also?
Euro CAD. Okay. Euro
Euro CAD.
Australian.
Yeah, and it's just close to the end here, close to the end.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So what we can see right here,
It's a down movement to the
Yeah.
downside.
yeah,
I think it's a good sell, right?
it was a good sell from the beginning. Now it's to continue.
It's a fair
moving-
sell.
Yeah, to move your stop loss, okay.
Okay.
It's a little bit risky to start opening a sell here, but we do expect this to continue going down, okay. So it's risky to start a sell, to initiate a sell, but we still believe this is gonna continue going down.
Continue going down.
However, the MACD is really deep in the red down, okay. The MACD down.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, right here, but we expect this to continue going down, and also there is still no buy signal yet, okay guys? So EuroCAD, we can expect it to continue going down, however, this is not the best place to open
A sell.
a sell from here, okay guys?
Okay.
Is there any other questions?
Let me check. He asks about the target.
You're welcome, David. Target 83, yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Sure, yeah.
That's
Okay,
fine.
so about 100 pips from the current price,
Okay.
okay guys?
Okay.
Okay guys, is there any other question?
Thank you for watching, and
Mr. Troy here asked about New Zealand USD. We can wait for this correction going on and we buy it later on, okay? So this should be the way to go. Thank you guys for watching.
I think that is all for the stock market.
And have a good day, guys.
Have a good day.
Okay, goodbye.